Are you planning a trip to Austin or just looking for new places to eat, drink, and be merry? If so, then I've got the guide just for you. Hey guys, it's Sam from Eat Well Adventure Often. Prior to moving to Miami, I lived in Austin, Texas for 9 years. During my time in Austin, I wrote for 2 publications and focused mainly on food and travel. So I traveled everywhere from San Antonio and San Marcos to Lockhart, and even lesser known places like San Saba and Comanche. I got to try some of the best food trucks and bars and restaurants and patios, and also stay at some of the best hotels and Airbnbs along the way. So I thought I'd put the links to all of my articles I wrote in one place, and I'll drop that link in the comments, and it's also in my bio. And I think I have probably over 75,000 photos and videos of all my food and travel adventures. So please let me know if you want more Texas content.